Hi, my name is Ajay Sansoi. I am founder at Sansoi Media and growth consultant for coaches. Welcome to this brand new video. Coaches, if you are tired of hustle and ready to crack the code to consistently attract clients, this free training is your game changer. If you are struggling to figure out what's holding your business back, missing this video could mean losing the breakthrough you've been chasing and missing the chance to 5x your productivity and achieve real results. I guarantee no technical headaches, no marketing jargons, no extra learnings, just results. Who is this for? This is for the coaches who are stuck with complicated marketing strategies, struggling to turn potential clients into paying clients, tired of wasting time, efforts, and money on expensive courses that overpromise but underdeliver, and who are ready to focus on their passion and grow their business without the stress and technical learnings. I can show you simple proven system that gets you client without wasting time, money, and efforts on complicated strategies. So what we will cover today, what I'll share in this video, what coaches are doing wrong and why it's holding them back. Number 1, simple steps most coaches ignore and why they struggle to get clients and how you can start using them effectively. Number 2, the common mistake keep most coaches stuck and how to avoid them. Number 3, what are the outdated, complicated method that's no longer work and what to do instead. Number 4, how to stop wasting money on tools and software and build your business stress-free and cost-free. Number 5, simple steps, simple system that helps you unlock the missed opportunity and get results. Imagine walking into a car showroom to buy a car. Instead of showing you the perfect car for your needs, the salesperson take you to the manufacturing plant and says, "Here how you can learn how to build a car yourself, but make your deposit first." You'd be shocked, right? You are not here to learn car manufacturing. You just need a reliable car to get work on time every day. That's exactly how marketing courses and programs feel. They teach you how to build the system but don't help you to actually build it. In the end, you are stuck dealing with technical issues you didn't expect, all because of you followed a pre-recorded video. What you really need is a ready-to-use system, not more problems, so you can focus on growing your business. I'll never forget a call I had with a mindset coach for working professionals, a single mom with two kids. As I explained how my services could help her, she suddenly started crying. For a moment, there was a silence, and I was stunned. Had I said something wrong? When I asked her, she said, "This is exactly what she needed earlier, but she has been delivered completely opposite." She shared how she had spent a lot of money on an expensive course to grow her business. To pay for it, she had to take a loan against her goal, her last financial safety net. Now she was in deep debt, and the course hadn't helped her at all. But instead of getting the help she needed, she was given a bunch of pre recorded videos full of coaching, confusing marketing terms she didn't even understand. Whenever she had a question, she had to email to the support team and wait for the next 12 to 24 hours. On the top of that, she had to spend hours every day attending live sessions. These sessions took up all her time, so she couldn't focus on her current clients that once she had worked so hard to get. She lost those clients, and her business started to fall apart. In the end, stress was too much, she didn't even finish the course, and now she has to repay the debt she took on. Through her tears, she said to me, "I just wanted to grow my business so I could take care of my kids. Instead, I ended up losing even more." Her story deeply moved me, but unfortunately, it's all too common. So many coaches fall into the same trap. I knew something had to change. That's why I have created this free training video where I'll show you exact strategy you can apply right now without spending money on expensive software, getting stuck in complicated system. This is my way of helping coaches like you succeed stress-free. This simple formula to get clients without all complexity. So step number 1 is your lead magnet. It's lead magnet versus poor messages. Why coaches lose their audience with poor messaging? Your lead magnet is your first step. Have you ever wondered why are you struggling to get leads or engagement with your messages? It's not converting, why your audience is not engaging with your messages? You are not alone. Most coaches struggle with this, and it boils down to one key problem: unclear messaging. Take this for example. If you see in this picture, this quote says, "Help you heal, grow, and manifest." Sounds nice, right? But there's a problem. It's way too generic. What does it mean? Who is it for? And how does it help? And most importantly, why should your audience care? Your confusion kills conversions. A lead magnet is just not a freebie you throw together. It's your loud and clear message tailored for a specific audience with a specific solution delivered in specific time frame. That's what grabs attention and makes people think this is exactly what I need. Now I'll give you an example. Let's say you are a parenting coach. Instead of saying something like help you become a better parent, try this. Get my 5-day guide to stop toddler tantrums without stress. See the difference? It's clear, it's specific, and it has a result tied to a time frame. Here's the truth. If your message is confusing, even your ideal audience, the people you are perfect for, will scroll right past you. Why? Because they don't see something or their problem in what you're offering. But don't worry, this is fixable mistake. I help coaches like you craft messages that actually speak to your audience. No more losing people because of vague generic statements. With the right messaging, you will attract and connect and convert effortlessly. If this resonates with you, it's time to rethink your lead magnet strategy. The step number 2, it's VSL. Why most coaches fail with their video content? Most coaches believe they are doing the right thing with their videos, posting reels, sharing Instagram stories, or even hosting live conversation with the other coaches or friends. They think this is what will attract clients. But here's the harsh truth. It's not working. Posting about your vacation, a trip to the mall, or how amazing the food was at that fancy restaurant doesn't bring client. Sure, it might get a few likes or comments, but let's be honest. How many of these likes turns into paying clients? Probably none. Here's the problem. These videos don't show your audience why they should care about your services. Unless you are Tony Robbins or a celebrity or any athlete, people are not following you just to see what you're wearing or where are you hanging out. They are looking for solution to their problem. And if your content isn't designed to deliver, they will move on without a second thought. This is where the VSL, video sales letter, comes in. I like to call it value sales letter because it's not about your fluff or any random stuff or random content. It's about value, straight to the point, impactful, and designed to convert. A great VSL focus on just a few key things: who you help, the specific problem you solve, and how you solved it. What makes you different? A clear call to action. That's it. No distraction, no rambling, no unnecessary behind the scenes clip that doesn't serve your audience. Compare this: a live chat with a friend where you casually mention your services versus a focused 3-minute video that clearly explain exactly how you help your audience achieve their goals. Which one do you think will work better? The answer is obvious. So what most coaches don't realize, your audience doesn't care about you. They care about what you can do for them. So stop wasting time on random content and start creating a VSL that actually connects, engages, and converts. And make sure you follow all the critical steps while creating your VSL. Number 3 is Grand Slam offer. The Grand Slam offer is what sets you apart from everyone else. It is the reason your clients choose you over the competitions. Let's talk about the offer. Most coaches get this completely wrong. They think offering discounts or reducing price will bring more clients. But let me tell you something. You are not a salesperson at a clearance sale. You are a coach and your job is to add value. Don't settle for less. When you treat your services like a seasonal sale, offering fake timers, Christmas discounts, or only 2 spots left gimmicks, you are not building trust, you are losing it. Your audience is not falling for these outdated tactics anymore. They are smart enough. If you want to stand out, your offer needs to be different, but not just different, it needs to be irresistible. I call it Grand Slam offer. It is not about lowering your prices or squeezing into the overcrowded marketplace of cheap services. It's about showing your audience the limitless value you can add to their lives. Think about this. Instead of saying 20% off my coaching program, why not craft an offer that says in which you can reduce your prospect true time delay to receiving immediate dream outcome and your effort and sacrifice is zero. If you create an offer like this, you have an infinitely valuable product. If you accomplish this, you win the game. Here is the truth. As a coach, you are not a selling product. You are selling a life-changing experience. Your offer should reflect that. It should make your audience feel like they'd be crazy to say no. Not because of discount or a fake scarcity trick, but because the value is so undeniable, it leaves no room for doubt. Grand Slam offer is unique, result-focused, value-packed, authentic, no gimmicks, just real undeniable value. For example, instead of saying help you lose weight, You can say, in 90 days, I'll help you lose 15 pounds without dieting or intense workout. Guaranteed. Step number 4, it's meta ads. Till now, you have done the hard work. You have created the perfect lead magnet, a powerful VSL, and irresistible Grand Slam offer. Your recipe for success is ready. But here's the crucial point. If you are not putting it in front of the right audience, all of the effort will go wasted. Here's the truth. Most coaches rely only on organic marketing, posting every day, hoping for likes, shares, or a message in their inbox. But this approach is like fishing with a dull hook in the middle of ocean. You might catch something eventually, but it takes forever and drains your energy. So the solution is Meta Ads. Meta Ads is a platform over 3 billion active users every month. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to share your services with a massive audience. And it's not just about reaching more people, it is about the right people. With Meta Ads, you can target your audience based on gender, age, location, demographics, behavior, interest, and more. Think about it. You are not just casting a wide net, you are laser focused on exact people who need your services. And the best part, the algorithm works for you. Feed it with the right keywords and it will bring your offer to the right audience. But where most coaches go wrong, they don't align their ads with their marketing messages or their audience. They throw out generic ads or copy paste their organic content into ad campaign, hoping for the best. And when it doesn't work, they blame the platform. Let me ask you this. How much time and energy are you spending on organic marketing right now? Hours every day? Weeks? Months? And what's the return? Organic marketing can work, but it is slow, painfully slow. And let's face it, you don't have time to wait for years and years to see the results. But still, few coaches believe that they don't trust or need marketing. Even legendary brands like Coca-Cola, with over 100 years of success and no real need for advertising, still investing in marketing campaigns, proving that marketing is always essential. Why? Because they understand one fundamental rule. If you are not marketing yourself, you are invisible. It doesn't matter how valuable your services are. If your audience doesn't know you exist, you may as well not exist. Marketing like Meta Ads is not just an option, it's the accelerator for your growth. It takes your offer, your lead magnet, your VSL, and puts it in front of the right people who are ready to take actions. So, why reinvent the wheel when the tools you need are already here? Stop hoping for results when there is a faster, smarter way to grow. Ads and marketing are just not an expense, they are an investment in your success. Check out the incredible success story from my clients achieving amazing results with minimal ad spends. Number 5, the framework. You have put in all the efforts, designed the perfect system to generate leads, create a compelling offer, and even mastered how to target the right audience. Most coaches have incredible coaching skills. They know how to deliver value, solve the problems, and transform lives. But when it comes to selling their services, they freeze. They hesitate. Why? Because they lack the skills and confidence to close a deal. Here's the truth. Sales are the oxygen of any business. Without consistent sales, your business, no matter how amazing your services and products are, will suffocate. That's why every coach needs a proven sales framework. It's just not a nice to have. It's the difference between thriving and barely surviving. This is where my $1,000,000 sales framework comes in. It is designed to help you sell with confidence and clarity without feeling pushy or salesy. This framework is not about forcing people to buy. It is about helping them realize that not working with you is the real loss. My framework is built on simple principle. People buy when they feel the value of what you're offering far outweighs the cost. Here's how it works. Understand their pain, understand your client's struggle, paint the vision, position the value, create urgency, and close with confidence. Never hesitate when it comes to price, speak with certainty because you know your services are worth it. So, this framework is not just about making a sales, it is about helping your potential clients see the transformation they are missing out on if they don't take an action. It's about creating a buying experience that feels natural, empowering, and valuable, not forced or awkward. Most coaches think selling is hard because they see it as convincing someone. But selling is not convincing, it's serving. It's about showing people the path to their desired future and letting them see why you are the best person to guide them. Without this framework, you are leaving your business and your success up to the chances. You might have the best skills and services in your niche, but if you can't sell them, your business will struggle. That's the harsh reality. But it doesn't have to be the same way. With $1 million sales framework, you will have step-by-step process to close deals effortlessly and consistently. You will sell with confidence, knowing you are not just offering a service, you are offering life-changing results. If you want to master the art of selling and finally take your coaching business to the next level, let me share my framework with you once we connect. So let's make selling your superpower. Remember, sales are the key to your success. Don't let this skill hold you back any longer. Closing these steps helped countless coaches, consultants, and service providers simplify their marketing and get more clients without feeling overwhelmed. And now you have the same formula for yourself free of cost. If you are ready to see how this can work for yourself, I would love to help you implement this. At this point, you know these 5 simple steps to get clients without all complexity: lead magnet, VSL, Grand Slam offer, meta ads, framework. Now you have two options. Option number 1: do it yourself. You can take these steps and try to implement them on your own. While the steps are simple, you may face some challenges along the way, like lacking the technical expertise, getting stuck with confusing tools and software, spending countless hours trying to figure out things out, and risking the mistakes that could make the things even more complicated. If you are confident enough you can navigate these challenges, you are welcome to give it a try on your own. And the option number 2: let me do it for you. You can skip the hassle, save your time, and book a call with me or an appointment instead. Here's how it will work: I'll create the entire system for you, from lead magnet to VSL to Grand Slam offer, the meta ads, and everything in between. You don't need to spend hours learning a new skill or worrying about technical setups. No wasted efforts, no extra money spent trying to figure out things out. All you need to do is focus on what you do best, serving your clients and growing your business. If you are ready to finally have a system that works without the complexity, let's talk. Click below to book your appointment, and I'll see you on the other end. Thank you.